Okay, this is problem 10 from chapter 2 of CFIN7. We're going to do it in Excel. So this is a ratio analysis problem. You definitely want to have your ratio analysis formula sheet handy. What I like to do is, in this case, I've copied them in, but if I'm not using paper, I would write it in. I'd write in the formulas for all the ratios that I'm going to need. So I've set up just a little spreadsheet here so that I can work through it with the numbers that are given. So at the end of the year, Wrinkle-Free Laundry WFL had $150,000 in total assets. If WFL's total asset turnover was 2, what were its sales revenue? So total asset turnover is equal to sales divided by total assets. So we can rearrange that equation so that we can solve for sales by multiplying both sides by total asset. That cancels the total assets out on the right-hand side, and then we end up with sales is equal to total asset turnover times total asset. So equals 2, and then the asterisk isn't for multiplication in Excel. So sales are 300,000. So 2 times 150,000. So next part, we have 2 more ratios, and this including this one. If WFL's return on assets, which is ROA, is 6%, what are its net income and net profit margin? So we can take ROA and our ROA formula and rearrange it. So ROA is net income divided by total assets. So we multiply both sides by total assets, and we end up with net income is equal to ROA times total assets. So equals 0.06 times total assets of 150,000. 9,000 of net income. So net profit margin, just net income divided by sales, which we have right here. And so equals net income is the slash divided by the sales, 300,000 of sales, and you get 0.03. And hit the percent to format it as a percent, and then round it to 2 decimal places.